Hi there. You are now looking at gemini.google.com. You will go to your drop-down menu and you're going to look for an element that says Deep Research. That is the element you want to select. We are now inside of Deep Research, and Deep Research is an agent search. In other words, Google sifts through multiple websites in order to synthesize them to accomplish what you ask for in your prompt. And so what we have done is we have given Gemini a prompt. We're now going to click enter. We're going to allow Gemini to start the research process. Typically what will happen is that Gemini will then take your prompt, make an assessment about how to answer your prompt, and how it's going to do the research. Then it will give you a number of things to agree to. When Gemini returns the plan to you to review, you want to review it carefully because this is your opportunity to make changes to the plan if there's something that Gemini has forgotten or something that Gemini has not quite covered. If you read through the entire plan and you think that it is sufficient and nothing is left out, you can then click on Start Research. But again, reading through these elements is very important, and it's very important to the quality of the output that you're going to receive as well as the direction of the output that you're going to receive. We're going to click Start Research Process. What you're going to click Start Research Process. What you're going to notice is that Gemini will then open up a window. Gemini will then show its thinking. You can make it so that Gemini will show you the sites that it browsed in order to come up with its thoughts. We're going to leave the default setting to show the thinking, and you're going to start to see that Gemini will then start populating this window or the canvas with its thoughts. What you will then see is part of the research process. On the left-hand side, you'll see that Gemini states the number of websites it has researched. On the right side, you'll see those websites in real time. What we're going to do right now is we're going to stop the video and we're going to take it up from the completion of the process. You will see on the left side that the number of websites researched is going to increase. You'll see in the canvas what the thought is from Gemini. Now, the process is not instantaneous. Once Gemini completes the research process, you'll see that it begins to message you, telling you that it is now analyzing results. When it's in this stage, you can walk away from the process. You can come back when it is complete, and we will do that by stopping the video here and coming back when the process is complete. Once your report is complete, you can click Copy to copy the report to a document. You can also export the document to your Google Docs account. When you click on Export, this will move the document straight into your Google Docs account that is associated with the email that you have for Google Gemini. And you'll see the report here. You can also create an audio overview. You can click this button that says Generate Audio Overview, and Google Gemini will generate an audio overview for your report, and your deep research process is complete. There you have it, and I will see you in another video.